Yeah, here with me I have E.class Mercedes E.class, and what is the problem? It has misfire on the engine. So after diagnosis, I discovered that the cylinder 6 is not working and cylinder 1 is also not working. So here I have to change all the spark plug requested by the customer, and also change the coil, ignition coil on the cylinder 6 and 1. So after diagnosing, you can see the error. There's a lot of fault. You can see ignition coil 6 has a electrical fault or open circuit, and this engine is 276 engine. This 276 engine is not more strong like 272 engine. So to do that, I have to remove the airflow meter. Here is the airflow meter. By doing that, you can see the two bolts, and also two bolts here, and this, the air filter. Here is the air filter. I have to remove it completely. You can see here. Also disconnect everything. But first, you have to open the battery. Don't forget.